Hello, my name is Oz. I will be your guide here on Sku-Scraper. In the next 3 minutes, I will guide you through the registration process so you can start using the software. Registering for an account is very simple, so let's get started. Click on the Login button in the top right corner. Click on Register and fill in the registration form. While I type my information, I would like to tell you a bit about myself. I am a robot whose main job is to read you these texts gracefully and eloquently. I have a wife and pretty soon will have a baby. We live in a small village by the beach. I really like the beach. That's it about me. We can continue. I will check this confirming I am not a robot. And click on Register. Now let's go to our email and confirm the account. We will click on the link we got. Now we can log in using our username and password. Note, log in using your username and not your email address. And click on Login. This stage is very important. We need to connect the scraper and the monitor to our eBay account. We can't activate our account until that's done. If you don't plan on using our built-in monitor, you can click on I don't want the monitor and opt out. So let's connect the scraper to eBay. Now log in to your eBay account. Click on Agree. The scraper is now connected. Now let's connect the monitor. Again, log into your eBay account. Click on Agree. All done. The only thing left to do now is to activate our account. Excellent, the account is ready. Now let's go over our preferences. You can change the settings here according to your fees. I pay 10% as I don't have a store subscription. The PayPal fees. Here you can choose what will be your default quantity which the monitor will update your items to after a sale. Let's go over our lister settings too. It's very important to enter your PayPal address here so the lister can set that in every listing and you could get paid on those sales. Well friends, it's been fun. I hope everything was clear. I gotta go. There are other tutorials I created for you, so check them out. It could help you make a lot of money.